Welcome to the Vector Academy, School of Data Science. Let's see how to download and install Python on Windows 10 operating system. Open your favorite browser and search for Python. The first link which will appear here will be from python.org. Click on this link. Once this link opens, you will be able to see download section. You will see a button which says Download Python 3.8.2. Just click on this button. It will start the download of Python 3.8.2 executable file. Once this executable file is downloaded, click on this file. You will see the Python installer with option which says Install Now and also second option which is Customize Installation. Install Now is the default installation which install Python at this location. We will use the option which says Customize Installation to install Python at our desired location. But before this, we also want to add the Python to the environment variables, and for that you need to check this checkbox, so make sure that you have checked this Python 3.82 path checkbox and then click on Customize Installation. Here leave everything as default and then click on Next. Here change location as per your desired location. You can also check options, pre-compile standard libraries, download debugging symbols, and download debugging binaries. Here we are going to check this option which says Install for all users, which will automatically check this option which says pre-compile standard libraries. Click on Install button. Click on Yes here, which is going to start the installation of Python on your Windows operating system. Wait for the installation to complete. After some time you can see this message setup was successful. You can see this warning also which says disabled path length limit. Just click on this option also here and then click on Yes, which is going to just disable that option. Now installation is finished. Once you have installed Python on your Windows operating system, when you click on your Windows Start menu, you will be able to see under Recently Added section the Python module, Docs, IDLE IDE, which is the IDE which comes with the Python installation. You will also see the Python manuals, and when you expand this you will see the Python terminal. So these four are the most important tools which are installed at the time of Python installation on your Windows operating system. Let's check whether a Python command is working on our command line or not. Just write cmd in the search bar and then open the command prompt. Type Python version. and then press enter. You will see that Python 3.8.2 is the version which is installed. Also, Python comes with the pip package manager. You can also check pip version and then press enter. You will see the version of pip which is installed on your Windows operating system. Thanks for your time. Please like and share it in your circle. Subscribe to our channel, The Vector Academy, School of Data Science, for more videos, lectures, tutorials on data science. For more information, do visit our website, www.thevectoracademy.org.